My name is Mario Rodriguez. I am a lead mentor with Sears Home Services. Working for Sears it's a great experience. The company is always going to back you up. They're going to be there for you. Sears provides the vehicle with the parts, the tools, the navigation, your telephone. They're going to provide you with training, so you don't have nothing to worry about. You're not really a parts replacer. You are a technician. You need to go in there, get the tools that Sears Home Services provides you so that we can get the customer's appliance back up and working correctly. When I started, I was mentored by great technicians, and they told me that one day I would be doing what they were doing. Within 3 to 5 years, I became a mentor. I've always said this, it's not a job, it's an adventure, and I love it.